So this is the new on camera that works with Google Home. I just got this delivered. It was announced last week. So let's unbox this. It's pretty simple. Small box. Yeah, I was kind of surprised that there was no videos about this product already. It was announced and it was ready to order right away. I ordered it yesterday and it had already arrived, so here it is. Comes with a USB-C cable. Let's see. The camera, of course. What else is going inside here? Power brick, some documentation, mounting hardware. That's great. Nothing too special here, I don't think. Shows you everything that it comes with. Okay. So, here's the camera. Peel off before using, of course. Oh, I see. Put that over there. There's a little, oops, there's some fur on here. A protective film on the lens. That wasn't super easy to get off. Okay, we could probably set it up. Looks like, is that maybe for Matter right there, that code? So this mounting hardware will go like that, and you just, I don't know, probably slide. I should probably look at the manual, right? Oh, okay. So like that. That attaches here. Okay, I'm not going to be using that, but anyways. So let's see. The swivels. That's nice. So you can kind of get the perfect angle on your whatever you need to record. The power brick is pretty standard looking. Let's see, so this does 5 watts. That's 5 volts at 1 amp. International capable. Let's see. The cord is it's not too long. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. I have a outlet nearby, so you can see the cable. It's only going to work with, you know, with a cable that doesn't have too much of you know, of a thick end right here. So keep that in mind if you're trying to use your own cable. Let's see if we can pair this now. Okay, let's see. So it is lit up, and I've got my phone here. So let's see if I can add device. Privacy guide. Sure, let's help improve. Agree. So it looks like it found the camera. The default name is indoor camera. Bridge added. Adding device. Let's just say this is going to be in the bedroom. Activating camera. Okay. It's pretty nice. It's too bad they didn't just make this weatherproof from the start, but I guess you can't do that for 20 bucks. We'll see how the sensor is in a bit. If we look at the box. So it says this can do 30 frames a second. That's great. The cable is 6 feet. 130 degree view angle. Yeah. Still installing. I guess it doesn't really have a model name, just indoor camera, wired. No kind of model code or anything. Let me see. Making progress. Looks like the camera light just turned off, so maybe it's rebooting and applying the firmware. Okay, so the lights, we have some documentation about the lights. Solid white is device has power. Blinking white is setup procedure. Blinking blue light is pair mode. Blinking blue light, quickly blinking blue light is device is pairing. So we got all the documentation just to show you what's going on. Oh, there's video. So that's me. Next. Choose, of course, we want video history, of course. Turn microphone on. Okay, so let's see that camera here. It's called, oh, there it is. Let's see the settings we have in the app. Bandwidth, we're just gonna go max. Get video quality, night vision, auto, audio, camera volume. I guess we don't have any events. Let's see. Scene events. We can do activities on this. It works just like a Nest camera. That's great. Oops. Just at a much lower price point. Okay, so let's see. Just see if it sees my cat now. Sorry, my desk is super messy, but. Okay, I'm gonna let this run for a bit and then check out the video quality later on.